Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Now let's review the days of the week.
Let's record the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
And today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Yesterday was Monday, April 13th, and tomorrow will be Wednesday, April 15th. I hope you guys enjoyed your long weekend.
The month is April, and next month will be May.
So remember, let's say it all together. Today is April, Tuesday, 14th, 2020. And today the weather is cloudy. The sun is going out and it's about 75 degrees. Don't forget to wash your hands every single day, a lot of times. Your morning workout with the videos, you will find your daily exercise. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day. And remember, it's okay to take breaks. Today's agenda. I'll be sending the instruction video for math. But remember to do your reading, science, history, social skills, and to call me if you need anything. So now, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? I am feeling happy because it's Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. So let's get ready to start.